So today I'm going to talk to you about 4 pretty unique tools: the gaffs and the fish hooks. So they're all the same shape, although they're different diameter and they have different hubs. We'll start with the fish hooks. We have a 1/4 inch and a 5/16. These have a really unique bend, represents a fish hook, so they can come right back towards you. So say you're in a quarter panel, fender, anywhere you're trying to kind of get that tool to come back around, these would be ideal. This is the 5/16, this is the 1/4 inch. Both of these take this new compact hub. It just feels really nice. These have a fairly sharp tip for being super precise, super accurate. You can use these on the tops of upper doors, anywhere obviously where you can get this into that hole or to that area. The next 2 in the size would be the 3/8 and the 7/16. And these you would need to step up to the original tactical Gorilla Grip handle. Fits the larger size hub. It's right here, there we go. And these become monsters. So the same shape, same tip geometry here, same reason you would use it to be able to just wrap back at you in those weird areas where you're needing that tip to just tuck back at you. Upper doors, fenders, quarter panels, really, really usable. We call these the gaffs because they're bigger and they resemble a gaff, like on a fishing boat. Please check all these out. Right now there's a set of 4 sizes. Again, just reminder, you would need the 2 separate handles for the 4 different sizes. The smaller ones take the compact handle, the larger ones take the larger tactical Gorilla Grip handle. You can find all these at A1 Tools, pdrtool.com, underneath the fish hooks and the gaffs.